Yeah, R.I.P. to Cameron, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? I put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears all night, you know what I'm saying? Hey, look. Cried in my bedroom. Teacher told Cameron he be dead soon. 6 months later, that's when the lead boom. Indictment season shake down the trappers, sweat by the feds boom. You don't like conscious rap, cause you don't know the ledge coon. The end is near, and I don't feel fear, set at the red moon. A baby is born so full of life, rose from a dead womb. Live from side of Gomorrah, where the plot is a horror. Niggas will never pick up the tour, cause Richie Porter is they Christ figure. Alpo is Judas, nigga shot dice with you. Took a nice picture, then sold you out for the right bitter, the ice glitter. Caught your bitch looking and I just might hit her. Northside, black men in pain, pouring out white liquor. Tap the bottle, dope boys praying, we hit the trap lotto. Vic Tarantino or Spike, this just a rap novel. Black Tahoe, niggas with black hoodies who clap autos. Niggas dumb, deaf and blind Horace Grant with the fat goggles. Don't compare me to niggas who one dimensional, cause it's the principle, the golden child, born to indigo. R.I.P. to Dick Gregory, died 1 week before we could meet. I'm in the suite, looking down on niggas in the cheese seats. I still a hood nigga, turn Paris into the freak knee. I'm from where niggas gotta keep heat. I be a sweet $1 million rapper got clapped, it was a cheap hit. $1 million rapper still dying over some street shit. The universe is mental, the cell holds your data, that's the info. That's 15 songs down since the intro. We out, niggas.
We felt that we could do a film where there's some hope, some optimism. You know, at the end of it, so often today, it's just felt that people are locked in, that young black males are going to die before the age 22, they're going to spend the rest of their lives in prison or sell drugs or whatever. And so we felt that this is a film that gets to show, you know, something different.
What is it different to show?
Well, what's different, Charlie, is that the way we approach this film. I think that if you know, when you see it, you see that we have a definite stance on violence, on guns. We don't glorify that in this film. The opening credits sequence is a montage of grisly, gruesome crime scene photos.